taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brittany, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I took this wig from having very golden blonde highlights to more of an ash blonde highlighted color. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this color and just how I installed this wig, of course keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. See y'all in the next clip. This hair is from Megalook hair. I will have all the hair details in my description box. Just looking at this wig, I just felt like the undertones were too yellow, too golden, and it really wasn't going to match my skin tone. So what I decided to do was color the hair first. The hair dye that I used was the Revlon Color Silk, and the color I used was dark ash blonde. So I used 2 boxes of hair dye. So here I am just dyeing the hair. This took me about, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm doing small to medium sections, and I'm also combing that hair dye through the hair, and I'm mainly focusing on the blonde, not really the brown parts of the hair, just the blonde, because that's what I'm trying to tone down. I left the wig in a plastic bag for about 40 minutes to an hour, and then I used my Purple Shimmer shampoo to get rid of any brassiness that the hair dye didn't get rid of. Y'all have to excuse my mannequin head because I need a new, not my mannequin head, but really my tripod, actually both. I need a new mannequin head and a new tripod. So yeah, my mannequin head kept just falling down. My tripod just really sucks, you guys, but you guys can still see the finished results. This color came out really good, better than I expected using hair dye and not a toner. So I did have to pluck this hair, I bleached the knots, and I also long curled this hair. So some of the curls are tighter than others because I really was just experimenting on what type of curls I wanted for this wig. So I started off doing very loose curls, and then at the very top I decided to try out very tight curls just to see what kind of curls I wanted for the wig. The undertones look so much better. I feel like on camera it looks very close to how it looked in the beginning, but in person the undertones look way better. They're more neutral. So I think eventually I'm gonna dye the hair again to get the color that I really want. I went ahead and just glued it on because I just feel like you guys have seen me glue down my installs enough. They're pretty repetitive. But what I'm gonna do next is I am going to create a few baby hairs. You guys can see my lace, but once I put those baby hairs down, that lace will be gone. Cutting some of that hair. And I'm using Eco Styler gel to lay the baby hairs down. Eco Styler gel just works the best for me. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad, not bad. I always use a rat tail comb, and sometimes I'll use an edge brush. Oh, I just messed up these baby hairs. I cannot talk and do this, you guys. I gotta really focus. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing. These baby hairs are not it, you guys, not it. These are some long baby hairs, but I'm gonna redo them. My baby hairs are not the best. This is definitely not my best work. I am just gonna take this elastic band that came with the wig, and I'm going to just wrap my lace with it. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's looking much better. I just feel like my camera exposes me all the time. In person, my hair can look good, but on camera, my camera, it just loves to show all of the imperfections. But right now, I think it looks good. I'm gonna make this top part a little more flat. So first I'm taking my beeswax and putting some on top of my hair. This is gonna get rid of the flyaways, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm gonna flatten the top. Oh, ow, ow. Flatten the root of my hair a little bit more so it can look as flat as possible. I do like the highlights of this hair. I think is very different, especially after I dyed the hair. This is just a wig that I would have to wear with makeup. I just can't see myself just wearing this wig with just a natural plain face. This is day 2 of me wearing the wig. I actually wanted to show you guys how I got those really loose wavy curls. So I didn't wrap my hair or anything. I just put this elastic band on. So now I'm going to show you guys how I curl this hair. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. Gonna twist away this side. I'm gonna do medium sections because I don't want the curls to be too tight. I comb through this section and then I take my curling wand. This is the Remington curling wand. If I can find the exact link of this curling wand, I will list it down below. But I take it, tilt it downwards, and I mainly focus on the bottom of the hair. So I just wrap it around like that. And I just hold it for about like 15 seconds. You guys, I'm also sick. So if I look sick or sound sick, it's because I am sick. But I really have to get this video done. So anyways, after I am done, I remove the curling wand and I just let this part of the hair just sit in my hands for a little bit until it cools off. And then I release it. So just waiting for it to cool down. And that's the curl, you guys. So I'm just gonna do pretty much the rest of my hair and let you guys watch. Not really gonna talk for real. I'll just let you guys watch. Ouch, 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 burning my tips, my fingertips. So I've only been filming for 9 minutes. This side probably took me like 7 minutes because I was talking for like 2 minutes. But now I'm gonna do this side. This side is gonna be pretty quick. So it is 10:03 right now. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do the right side of my hair. So y'all, started at 10:03 on the right side and it is 10:10. So it only took me 7 minutes. In total, it took me about 15 minutes to curl this hair, and these are the curls I wanted. Just something very, very soft. I am not gonna really run a comb through it. I'm just gonna use my fingers to separate the hair. Now I'm gonna take off this elastic band, show you guys how my edges and my lace looks. I like this side way better than this side. I need to like take this wig off, cut off this lace, repluck it right in here. But other than that, the lace doesn't look bad. It's only been a day, so I don't really expect it to look bad at all. I am going to take some of my foundation powder. This one is by Ruby Kisses. This is actually like a foundation cream, and this is number 15. And I am using the darker side of this foundation to clean up my part some more. So I'll be using this side right here. I'm taking an angled eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to fill in the line so the line looks straighter. I'm done styling this hair. I'm done with this whole wig. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all of the hair details in my description box, along with what hair dye I used, just all of the products I used to achieve this install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.